This guide will help you understand the process of requesting payouts on Spotify. Follow these steps to ensure you receive your earnings smoothly. Step 1. Sign into your Spotify account. Log into your Spotify for Artists account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with your music releases. Step 2. Navigate to the Payouts section. Once logged in, locate the Payouts or Earnings section in the dashboard. This area will provide you with information about your earnings and payout options. Step 3. Review your earnings. Check the details of your earnings to ensure everything is accurate. Look for any discrepancies in streams or sales that may affect your payout. Step 4. Request your payout. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the FROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and submit your request. After filling out the necessary information, review your request one last time. Once confirmed, submit your payout request and keep an eye on your email for confirmation of the transaction. By following these steps, you can easily request payouts on Spotify. Make sure to stay updated with any changes in the payout policies for a smooth experience.